Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing, and this time we are unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, the latest and greatest from Samsung. It's good that all of these devices come with 128 gigabytes. I have the base variant. Let's see what all do we have in the inside the box. Welcome to Tech Trishan, and if you are new here, thanks a lot for stopping by. On this channel, I love to help you guys make a purchase decision. I have the blue color here. They have just advertised camera and written the camera and all of those things there, 128GB memory and wireless power share. So there's a ton of features on this device right here. It's providing great value, IP68 water and dust resistant. That has been standard since the Galaxy S8. 1, 2 and 3. Okay guys, so as you can see, here is the Champ, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. It's one of my favorite phones. I wanted to try it out for a long time. Oh guys, as you can see, it's looking really beautiful. It's the blue color. It has got a nice stainless steel type of finish, but still it's an aluminium frame here. You're not getting stainless steel as on the 10s Max, but it feels really light in the hand. Welcome again. Camera bump is again there, as opposed to the Galaxy S8, which didn't have a camera bump, but still a ton of improvements in terms of camera. Also the lock button here, and the Bixby button is still present, the volume rockers here, and just a normal antenna, the SIM card tray. It's a dual SIM phone. You can either use two SIMs or one SIM and a micro SD card. It is expandable up to 512 gigabytes. And here it is, the Samsung trademark, the USB Type C, speaker grill, and the headphone jack. The old headphone jack era is still not over. Samsung is saying to other smartphone companies. That's pretty much based upon the build quality of the device. Let's just first of all keep it aside and see what all are the things that we are getting. We're getting this charging brick. This is a thing that I really like because this is a fast charger which comes with S8, the S9 Plus, and now also is coming with the Galaxy S10 Plus. These are white accessories. That's what you are gonna get if you purchase the blue or the white variant. If you are going to purchase the black variant, you are going to get the same black accessories that came with earlier devices. So keep in mind that. So they are still including this, the USB Type C to USB Type A converter for your travel time pen drive attachment needs. Anything you want to do with this, it's a really great thing. Here we have, I think it's the charging cable. Yes, it is. As you can see, here we have the charging cable. Again, it's a USB Type A to USB Type C. I really like the fact that Samsung provides a lot of value out of the box for the price for which they are charging. Definitely they are giving what they are charging for. And here are the earphones. They are the same, just the color changed. The AKG tuned headphones. As you can see, basically the same headphones and some earbuds. As you can see, it has the same tangle free nature. These are the things that you're going to get in box. Let me just see where is the SIM ejector tool. Here it is. The SIM ejector tool is there inside the cap, should I say, of the box, and I think they would also provide a cover with it. Yes, as you can see, here is the cover that they are providing with it. This is how the cover looks out of the box. As you can see, it's look pretty good, but it's not that durable as my experience with the S9 Plus. Also, it's not kind of S9 Plus type of cover that was really a silicone cover. This is pretty hard at the back. Coming on to the other thing, it's just a bunch of paperwork, not anything more than that. You can see quick start guide and all of those things, warranty card, transfer, and all of those things. So these are the things that we are going to get in the box. Let's just take a look at the Champ, that is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Let's just switch it on, and till it switches on, let me clarify you with the specifications. The specifications are Snapdragon 855 or the Exynos 9820, 8GB of RAM, 4100 mAh of battery with fast charging and fast wireless charging support, 6.4-inch Quad HD Plus 3K panel coming in at a resolution of 1440 by 3040, and it's coming in with a hybrid SIM slot, IP68 water and dust resistance, wireless power share, in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, triple camera setup at the back, a 10 megapixel megapixel f1.9 plus 8 megapixel f2.2 front camera setup. It's coming in with Android 9 Pie based upon One UI. So guys, this is the device. It has booted up. I have set it up and I have restored it from my Samsung account, the earlier account that I was using with the S9 Plus, and I plan to use it as my daily Android driver for the next 1 week, and I'll also post my 1 week experience. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't done yet. Since I restored it from a backup, it has just restored all my applications. Don't worry, you're not going to get all of these applications. You're going to get a bunch of them, but not all of them. So other than that, the performance looks really snappy. Like you can see how snappy the device is. You're not going to have a problem in terms of that. Guys, I know what you're waiting for. The in-display fingerprint scanning. 1, 2 and 3. You can see it's not that fast, but it still feels great and it works great. It even works when the screen is off, as you can see. But you also have face unlock. That's not as secure. The display, guys. Like you can see, the display looks really freaking sharp, really awesome. In the past also I've said that Samsung makes one of the best displays in the world. It's now a 3K panel. The hole punch, Samsung has done a pretty good job at hiding it. So you can see this is how the hole punch would look out of the box. And it's looking good, it's not troubling me. The notch also didn't trouble me, and these kind of also the hole punch is even troubling me less. All the battery and the network settings are a little bit asymmetrical on the side, but still in 1 to 2 days you would get pretty much used to it. You can see whether that hole punch would intrude you or not. It's not bothering me, but you can see for yourself whether that hole punch would interfere with your use case of the phone. And other than that, you can see the display quality is really one heck of a sharp display, one heck of a awesome display. I've always loved the Samsung displays and this is no exception. So in terms of display, Samsung killed it. And by default, I think this device comes in with what? A full HD activated display. Like this display is not even the fullest that it can get. This is the fullest that it can get. Not that much of a difference, but you would feel the difference when you're watching 4K videos and all of those things. Triple rear cameras. The main camera, the ultra wide and the telephoto camera, heart rate sensor on board. It has got stereo speakers. One speaker is up here top and one speaker is, we also have Dolby Atmos feature. Let's test out the camera. I know you are waiting for the ultra wide. Let's just see the main angle first. And as you can see, here is the main photo. And as you can see, it takes a time to process it, but when it processes, it produces a really sharp looking photo. And I think the camera quality is really great on this device. This was the normal one. This was the ultra wide, and let's just take a photo of it. And let's just try 2x optical zoom. This is the 2x optical zoom image. This is the ultra wide image. So you can see how much of a difference you're going to get between the main and the ultra wide. Main and the ultra wide. So it's going to get really a great experience. Let's test it out. 4K at 60. Okay guys, so the limit is gone. So if you're recording video, the limit is no longer there. You can record unlimited video, 4K at 60 also. Overtime experience will tell how it fares, but so far it's looking good. It's definitely better than the Samsung experience. So really great value for money that you're going to get out of this device. As you can see, this is the device, guys. I'm really loving this phone on the first look, and I hope you also love this phone. Or if you have any questions, tell me in the comment section. Till the next time, have fun. Keep loving technology. Keep coming back to Tech Trishan. This is Trishan signing off. Peace.